Welcome. If you want to adjust vibration settings in your iPhone 12 mini, at the first you have to go for the settings, and right now we have to go for the sound and haptics. And at the first we get the two vibrate options. There's the vibrate on the ring and vibrate on the silent, so we can both of them turn on and turn off by tapping on the switcher. When we scroll down, we can also adjust the vibration for a very active thing, so we can, for example, turn off vibration for the new mail, and we can leave it to send the mail to get the notification. And you can also change the standard vibration, the pattern of it. We can also create a new vibration, and we can also just turn off the system haptics vibration by clicking here at the bottom. And that's how we can change this vibration settings. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.